The ADVWorx soft panniers come in two different sizes. They come in the 20 litre size and the 30 litre size, and 3 different mounting options. Included with the ADVWorx Saddlebags are dry bags. So not only is the ADVWorx Saddlebag a dry bag in itself, but we also supply an inner liner which also acts as a dry bag. In fitting the bags, you have 3 options. This is my favourite option, which is the saddle. And it's as simple as putting the 2 bags over the top like so, and then hooking up the buckles. 1, 2, 3. Give yourself plenty of adjustment so that you can get the buckles in place. 4. Once you've got the buckles in place, then it's a matter of doing up the front of the saddle and then cinching them down. And all of a sudden you've now got a saddlebag which is now locked in place with all the weight taken off the top of the saddle. I'll do the other side as well. Now they're in place, ready to go riding. As I mentioned, there's actually 2 other options for the top saddle. I like using this saddle because it has the molly straps so that I can actually lock other smaller bags in place. But if you prefer, you can remove this center section. One of the options is 2 straps. And what you can do with the straps is run them over the top of the seat, as you see here, or actually under the seats. Some bikes that you have the room enough to run them under the seats. So we call that bag to bag attachment. And what you've also got is bag to bike or bag to frame attachment. This way you can actually remove one bag, and you might want to do this because you have a fuel cell that you want to fit to the bike. The bags come away that simply. I've already fitted the other 2 loops to the frame of the bike. So you've got the loop there. Once again, you're attaching the strap to the other saddlebag. And the reason why you want the straps to the saddlebag is the straps actually take the load of the saddlebags. The 4 straps on the side stop the saddlebags from flapping around, but your load is actually taken through those ones. What we have a benefit now is we can run 1 saddlebag, but we've got room enough here to put our Rotopax fuel cell or any toolkit or anything else you'd like to mount on that side of the bike. We tend to recommend the Outback Motortech pannier frames because this is what they call the X frame. It actually has placement for a fuel cell in the center, plus areas here where you can have good attachment for any sort of other style of bag or any other soft pannier that you're looking at doing. So with those 3 options, a top saddle where you can mount other items to, 2 straps for bag to bag, and 2 straps for bag to frame. Any of these ADVWorx bags can be purchased at our stores in Brisbane or Sydney or online.